South, dirty, we dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got baby girl. East Coast feel me. West Coast feel me. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast feel me. Say what? West Coast feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me?
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My first ever empty apartment tour. I have technically been living here for about a week now, but I haven't been sleeping here because my bed isn't here yet. Of course, for safety reasons, I'm not gonna show you guys the outside deck part or anything like that, but I'm just gonna be showing you guys the inside, the interior. That is what this video is gonna be about today, is my new apartment. I can't even believe I'm saying it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's begin the empty apartment tour at the front door. So we have our front door here, and then to the left, we have what some would call a dining room area, but I am going to transform this space into a home office. So yeah, I feel like a desk over here, and then a chair here, probably a rug, just to make this area. It's so echoey in here. So we'll go ahead and turn now, and here's the front of the door again, and we'll go to the right. So first we have this, which is just a coat closet. Don't really know what's gonna go on in here. Actually, let me stop tripping. I can put my coats in here. I guess it'll be nice to like have a separate place to put jackets and rain boots for right when I'm about to walk out the door. And then we have the kitchen. So I cannot wait. I'm not gonna do a whole lot of renovations on the kitchen. I kind of like it how it is. It's got a lot of storage. It's a nice sizable kitchen. Not too big, not too small. Over here, we have pantry space. Now at first when I saw this, I was like, oh, is this just space for like condiments and stuff like that, or like dishes? But no, this is what I would use as a pantry. Here, I already have some dishes in there. My mom got me these for Christmas, so thanks, Francis. So here we just have some more drawers, super standard kitchen stuff. Our lovely oven, the refrigerator. I'm obsessed with this sink. I already have some dishes over here. It's one of these. And yeah, over here, just more storage again. I don't foresee myself needing this much storage for dishes, but we'll see. When I first moved in here, I was like, oh, this is the pantry. I'm just so used to the pantry being a door or room within the kitchen. Upon walking inside, it is actually a place for my washer and dryer to connect and go. I will say it's a little strange having that be right through or in the middle of my kitchen, but you know, we're gonna work with it. I'll get used to it. And then coming out, we just have this little island piece, which is nice because I really truly don't plan to have a dining room. I just don't think I need one. So I wanna get some bar stools to go here, but yeah. I don't foresee myself like sitting down at a table to eat, so this is what we're looking like. There's my Chick-fil-A. Living room. So this is the living room space. I'm super excited about it. The main thing that drew me to this apartment was that it had a lot of windows. I really wanted a place that had a lot of windows, whether it was super huge or super small. I'm a big fan of good lighting. Obviously, I'm making YouTube videos, so I want to make sure the lighting was good. Okay, another favorite is this little pillar that drops down. I did not know an apartment could even have this in it. I was geeking out. I still am. But we've got this just big pillar that reaches down, and I actually love this because it kind of serves as a medium and blocks off and divides the two rooms. So we got our home office over here, and then over here, we'll have the living room. Plan to put stuff on here too, just to kind of decorate it. I'm so excited about decorating it. I have so many ideas, but I also don't know where to start. Now these apartments, they do come with trim already. They have this like brown trimming. So when I'm feng shuiing and trying to style and decorate, I'll kind of have to keep that in mind. Keep in mind, I feel like I don't need a whole lot of space to begin with. So this is plenty of space, plenty. And then we have this wall here, a giant mirror, full length mirror right here, chair, couch over here, TV entertainment center here, maybe a rug over here. And I want it to feel like each room is a different room, like decoration wise. I don't want them all to have the same color schemes or anything like that, but I want to make sure that they all cohesively go together. All right, let's go to the room. Let's go to the room. So this is the room. I feel like it's so weird. I can hear my voice echoing. It'll sound better once furniture is actually in here, but it's about the same size, ironically, as my room at home. I feel like my room at home was about this size, which is good because I plan to copy and paste it exactly to this room. I don't really have any big plans for this room. Obviously, I want some curtains here. I'm thinking my bed will go right here because I don't want my bed against the window. That's a no-no. And then I think over here, I'm gonna have my bookshelf from home. That'll have my TV on it. That way my TV will be here, my bed will be here. And then on this wall over here, I feel like, I don't even know, maybe a mirror. There's this really cute circular mirror I really like. I may put that there. And then, I don't know. TBD. Oh, I forgot to go to the bathroom. So here is the bathroom. Let me freak out for a second and tell you that I have never ever had a bathroom to myself. I've always shared a bathroom. This is a moment. So I really actually like these light fixtures. That was one thing I was afraid of moving into a new apartment. I had heard that light fixtures can kind of just be tacky or ugly. And I want to do DIY stuff in the bathroom, but I don't want to have to do too much. Like, we're not getting crazy. So you have this big, giant mirror. How flexible I am. Sink. I do have some contact paper. We're gonna replace that with, we're gonna trick this bathroom out. So take a good look at it before, because she's gonna look completely different when we're done. Not that this is bad, I'm actually really excited about the hardwood floors. And then this shower, which is huge, a lot bigger than I expected it to be. Big old tub, shower head. I want to replace all of this tile with green stick-on tile. I have this vision I saw from Pinterest that I really want to come true. And then I gotta get one of those things for over the toilet to, you know, stack stuff on, and some rugs, because I hate getting out of the shower and walking onto wet floor. Worst feeling. But that's the bathroom. Okay, so moving on. Now we can go into the closet. But this is the closet, y'all. Never in my life